Hello everyone and welcome to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy and I have a helper with me today. My grandson Owen is going to help me make Stromboli. That's a hard word, isn't it? Yes, Stromboli is perfect for New Year's Eve or the Super Bowl coming up. It is delicious, easy. So are you ready to get started?
Yes.
All right, Owen. So Stromboli is very easy to make. Basically, it is just meat and cheese that's rolled up in a dough. And what I have here in this bowl is my
pizza dough.
It's my pizza dough that I made. And I will give you the link to the video that shows you how to make my pizza dough. But if you don't have time to make your own dough, here is a tip. You can go to the refrigerated section in your grocery store where they have the canned biscuits and get the canned pizza dough, and that works as well. So if you are new here to my channel, we want you to subscribe and hit that little notification bell if you want to know as soon as I upload a new delicious recipe, and give me a big thumbs up. Let us know that you like this video. Okay, so the meat that I'm using is I have some sliced ham, some sliced salami and pepperoni, and then I have some shredded mozzarella cheese. And then in this bowl is my pizza dough. Okay, Owen, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some flour down here on this counter because we are going to roll this dough out.
And we don't want it to stick to the table.
That's right, we don't want it to stick to the table. You ready? Here, we're going to dump out this dough. Ta-da! Look at that.
Yep.
And you roll it out very evenly. Don't push down real hard. Very evenly and smoothly. Like that. There you go. A little bit like this. See how we do this? And we want to get the shape of a rectangle. That's right. Just lay that ham out. Right there is fine. Right there. Try and get them a little bit closer together. There you go. All right. So now we'll sprinkle some cheese down over top of the ham. Just a little bit of cheese all around. Because we're going to layer meat, then cheese, then meat, and then cheese. Okay, that's probably good. Now let's take the salami and put the salami on here. All right, sprinkle some more cheese. And now the pepperoni. Okay, more cheese. So now what we are going to do is I have a little bit of an egg wash here, and we are going to paint the egg all around the border of this dough. All right. So just dip your brush in there and paint. Yep, that's it. Just like that. You want to get a little bit more all around the edge there. Here you go. Very good. Very good. Okay, Owen, so now what we're getting ready to do is we're getting ready to roll this. And I'm going to start at this end, and I'm going to just begin to roll this up. Just like this. All right.
It looks good.
Does it?
Yeah.
All right.
We did very good on this.
We did, didn't we?
It's a big piece of roll.
All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of pinch these seams and just kind of tuck them under. All right, Owen, so what we're going to do is I have a sheet tray here that I put aluminum foil on. I'm going to spray this with some nonstick spray. And then I'm going to place my Stromboli onto my sheet tray very carefully.
Smells really good.
All right, and then I'm going to take this egg wash and we're going to go all over the top. Okay? Good job. Okay. Do you know why we were putting the egg wash on the outside? Because it just gives it a nice golden color to the Stromboli. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to cut some slits in the top, and that just allows the steam to come out so that it doesn't explode on us with, it doesn't just explode, okay? And so now it is time to bake the Stromboli in a 400-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to keep my eye on it until it's nice and golden brown. You ready?
Yes.
All right, look at this. Wow, Owen. Looks pretty good.
Yes, it does.
I'm going to take this Stromboli and we're going to move it over to this cutting board so that we can slice it up and get ready and eat it.
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Cool.
Slice it into it.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
It's so good.
Just look at this.
Yeah.
Yum. So what do you think of Stromboli, Owen?
Looks good.
It looks really good, doesn't it? You want a piece?
Yeah.
Take a piece and dip it in this sauce. It is delicious. Mmm. That's good.
Good.
That is delicious. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day and a happy new year, and I will see you soon with more recipes.